Wondering where to focus your attention as an investor in 2025? Well, here are 5 key themes for the year ahead. Number 1, welcome to the Benjamin Button economy. Much like the main character in the film The Curious Case of Benjamin Button, the U.S. economy appears to be aging in reverse. At the start of 2024, many economists believed the U.S. was in the late stage of an economic expansion with a possible recession on the way. But our team saw greater resilience in the U.S., and they believe the economy may have a longer runway of growth in the years ahead. Number 2, an industrial renaissance is fueling a new era of growth. Big and small projects are popping up across the U.S., and that's creating opportunities for investors. TSMC's $65 billion build-out of a production facility in Arizona is one notable example. It is expected to create thousands of manufacturing and construction jobs, and this dramatic rise in capital expenditures could provide a boost to the U.S. economy and create opportunities for construction and other industrials companies. Number 3, the AI megatrend could boost stocks for years. From self-driving cars to robots, AI's potential is just beginning to take shape, providing investment opportunities along the way. There's a case to be made that AI is overhyped in the short term and underestimated longer term, much like the internet and smartphones were in their early days. Moreover, AI will create opportunities in unexpected places. For example, the build-out of data centers to power AI will require vast physical resources from old economy sources such as copper, capital equipment, and electricity. Number 4, drug discovery is creating a golden age of healthcare. We're all familiar with weight loss drugs and their enormous potential to treat obesity and cardiovascular diseases, but companies are also tackling a host of other debilitating ailments. With deep drug pipelines, pharmaceutical companies could develop effective treatments for ALS, muscular dystrophy, and genetic diseases over the next decade. And finally, number 5 on our list is to keep in mind there are always reasons not to invest. If you went back to New Year's Day in 2020 and I told you that the world would face a pandemic, a steep bear market, inflation above 9%, and multiple wars, would you want to invest in U.S. stocks? Probably not. But since then, the S&P 500 index has risen more than 100%. The point is, there are always reasons not to invest, but you would have been better off if you had stayed the course. So what's the bottom line? There are 5 keys to investing in 2025. Welcome to the Benjamin Button economy. An industrial renaissance is fueling a new era of growth. AI is a megatrend that could boost stocks for years. Drug discovery is creating a golden age of healthcare. And there are always reasons not to invest. You can visit Capital Ideas for the full report, 5 Keys to Investing in 2025, by clicking on the link in the description below. And thanks for watching.